Good afternoon. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, January 12th. Didn't trade yesterday. We had too many people speaking. We had Trump speaking. We had Carney from the Bank of England speaking. And it was all in the morning, so we bypassed any trades yesterday. Just not worth it. As far as today is concerned, we had four trades that were correlation scalp trades, we like to call them. Swiss franc to Japanese yen was correlated with euro yen. And then we were in that, and then after we liquidated it yesterday afternoon. When you're in a correlation trade, if you're in it when people are speaking, it's not a big deal because it's really it's similar to a hedge type position. And then last night we got into a US dollar, Japanese yen to euro yen, which was a beautiful correlation. Those are the best when they both are profitable for you, but we'll go over them in a second. First, just want to touch base on today's economic news. Initial jobless claims came in slightly better than expected, but it's a weekly number, so it really doesn't have much impact. Other than that, it was really just, I think, Fed governor speaking first. Harker was speaking. He says markets are adjusting a bit after yields jumped after the election. But literally just Monday or Tuesday, I forgot who it was. I think it was from the Boston Fed, said that they don't target the market for their fiscal policy. So here we are, as they're contradicting themselves. The Fed's Evans, he was speaking. He said he sees inflation heading towards 2%. He says business investments has been relatively weak. 4% growth would be hard without structural change, he said. And then the Fed's Lockhart, he was out saying, he says he's in the more cautious camp in forecasting just 2 rate hikes in 2017 compared to other Fed members that saying 4 to 5 rate hikes. And then the Fed's Lockhart, he also said he sees a gradual path of interest rate increases, and the definition of gradual will depend on the economy. So to us, it seems the Fed is already backpedaling on that they're going to be raising interest rates 4 to 5 times in 2017. Remember, they were supposed to raise them 5 times in 2016, and they only raised them once, and that was at the very last meeting in December, right before the holidays. Really, probably just to save some credibility they have left. But that's it as far as economic news. We're going to let's go over the trades. So like I said, first one was a correlation with Swiss franc Japanese yen to euro yen. So the trade was in the Swiss franc yen, which we were short from 114. So what we did was we had 50% of our normal size on that trade. We correlated it with 25% of our normal size with euro yen, or half of the Swiss franc Japanese yen trade, or position size, I should say. So we were short Swiss franc Japanese yen from 114. We covered 113.79, picking up 21.0 pips, or 10.5 for the profit side. But on the euro yen, we lost here. We were long from 122.216, sold 122.082 for a loss of 13.4 pips, size adjusted 3.4. Now, if you remember, just the other day, I believe it was Tuesday, the actual trade that we wanted to be in was a loser, but the one that we had correlated to it moved so much more than the one that we lost on that we were able to actually make money. So the call was wrong, but we made money. This time the call was right, and we had a decent trade. The next one was US dollar Japanese yen correlated with euro yen, which was last night. We were out of this first correlation late yesterday afternoon. Last night, so we get in US dollar Japanese yen, which was the call, to short from 114.427. Worked out really nicely overnight. We got out prior to this morning's economic data, picking up 44.3 pips, or a size adjusted 13.2 pips as we had 30% of normal size. And it was correlated with euro yen, which we had 20% of normal size. And we were long from 121.389. Again, got out of that. We get out of them pretty much at the same time. Out of it at 121.647, again, right before the economic news, picking up 25.8 pips, or size adjusted 5.1 pips. Those are the best correlation trades when they both work out for you. So the correlation was returning while we were in the position. So in the end, 25.4 pips. We take it all day long. Wish we had more days like that. So far, no correlation scalp trades today. No swing trades. So that's it. So we're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If we get some action tonight or tomorrow, we'll do another video tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.